Hey y'all, and welcome to today's video. I'm actually doing some batch recording, so that's the reason why you guys see me in the same exact shirt. So I'm trying to show you guys how to batch record, because a lot of you guys feel like you got to record day by day. You don't. So the way that this works is I am going to be cooking and you guys are going to cook dinner with me. So on the menu for this afternoon's dinner is simply some baked ziti. I am just trying to whip something up really quickly, as I don't want to be in the kitchen too long. And I don't have any leftovers from the grill from yesterday. Not much. So let's get ready to go over to the kitchen so I can show y'all what you'll need for baked ziti and get to cooking. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ciara and I do a lot of lifestyle content on this channel. Crafts, grocery hauls, cooking and baking. I probably already said that. Y'all know what I do. All right, so I got the ricotta cheese. All right, so I have 1 egg, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese. I have the rigatoni noodles. I also have a pound of the ground beef. I also have some minced garlic here, as well as some spaghetti sauce, so some chunky garden combination, and then the petite diced tomatoes, as well as some parsley flakes. So I also need just to grab an onion, dice that. All right, add in some good olive oil. Let that go ahead and cook, get nice and hot. All right, I added in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm also adding in that meat. All right, we're gonna brown this and get it well done. All right, so I went ahead and put in some of the seasonings that you guys see here. I went and put in some onion powder. I put in some basil. I also put in some garlic powder, and I also put in oregano leaves. So it's almost done cooking to where I'm gonna get ready to add in some diced tomatoes and some spaghetti sauce. And then we're gonna go over and make up the ricotta mixture. All right, so we're gonna just set this to the side like that. Next, we need to get ready to boil our noodles. But in the meantime, while we're waiting on this to boil, let's go look at the ricotta cheese mixture. All right, here we go. I have 1 egg cracked, and in here I have ricotta cheese. I literally used half of this one, and this is a 15-ounce. I also used some Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, and some parsley. So I'm gonna mix this up while I wait on that to boil, and then also get the mixtures all ready for the pan. All right, so we're gonna let these cook for 12 minutes. So you guys can choose to do the same thing you do with spaghetti lasagna. You can add in sugar, you can add in salt, you can add in pepper. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some salt, pepper, and sugar. All right, so I have my glass pan. I have this mixture. We're gonna go ahead and layer some of this mixture on the bottom. And then we're gonna be saving about 1.5 cups of this mixture to go in with the ricotta cheese and the noodles. All right, noodles are all done. We're gonna go ahead and drain those. All right, so while they drain, here we have this mixture. I'm gonna go ahead and add in that 1.5 cups, basically, which would be this much. And then just give it a good stir. All right, y'all, so simply just layer it and then just add some mozzarella cheese on top. You can also do parsley on top if you want. Bake it on 350 until the top is brown.
Exactly. Baby. Baby.
Snake.
Huh?
Thank y'all for cooking with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below, what are some other dishes that I could use, you know, for dinner on a good, lovely school night. So, catch you guys in the next vlog.